hello.
Hello.
I'm Victoria. This is Rosie. And this is Lily. And today we are trying my homemade granola. Say homemade.
Granola.
Yeah, okay. So, most of this video is going to be, I found my glasses. Most of this video is going to be talking about how I made homemade granola, which is something I really love to do because granola is ridiculously expensive. I mean, come on, $35 for a bag of granola? I will beat somebody up. You have got to be kidding me. This one is $7. That's a little better, but still overpriced to me when you can make it at home for so much cheaper. And I just really like granola. So I didn't really make enough this time. I really should have made more. Yes. This is the granola that I will be teaching you how to make today. Mine may have come out a little bit burned, but that's alright. I'm sure that you won't burn yours. First, I mashed up some Cheerios. Next, about a cup of peanut butter. Literally a handful of pumpkin seeds. A cup of oats. About a tablespoon of cinnamon. What's left of this honey we bought from this dude on the side of the road, some flaxseed that I stole from my brother, and some pure vanilla extract, maybe like 2 drops. Now to the baking part. Preheat the oven to 400 and you're only gonna bake it for about 10 minutes. And so once you mix all your ingredients, just really get in there and mix it all up, mash it and squish it like a mud pie, and then flatten it down in the pan. I prefer a metal baking pan. I don't know why I did this because it breaks all up when you try to take it out, but it's still good. Please excuse the camera quality today. Somebody stole my tripod. So we're gonna try this granola. Let's see. It looks really good. Huh? Okay, try it. And you have to tell me how you like it. She's got little mosquito bites on her face. How do you like it? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
Good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Alright, okay. I'm gonna try a little piece.
Okay. We'll try. Yeah?
I like it.
You like it?
I'm sorry, Lily. None for you. It's really good.
I think Lily wants to taste it too.
I don't know if she can. She doesn't have teeth yet.
No.
You like it? So, the recipe itself is really easy. It's really simple. It's very few ingredients, and it's something that I like to make often. You can multiply the recipe, just make a whole bunch of granola, as I probably should have made more, but we'll live. Everyone will be okay. And I urge everyone to try this because it's a really good healthy snack. And own granola. Why does my face look like I'm having a stroke? All I was trying to say is just make your own granola. It's healthier and cheaper.